good morning everyone. Today I would like to teach you about how to make beautiful fonts in PowerPoint. Okay. Um, first of all, you need to open your PowerPoint. Okay. Whatever version that you use also can. Okay. So first, okay. So make sure that you have the first slide here. Okay, you have the first slide. So you write down, go to insert, and then you go to word art. Okay, you take the first one, fill back text one shadow. Okay, so you want to change the text here, your text here, change to Sabah. Okay, SABAH, Sabah. So I want the font's type is Arial black. So you choose Arial black and then make it bold and make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger. So how I'm gonna make it this word into a picture? Okay, I want to put my picture inside the words. Okay, inside the words. So okay, I'm find some picture. Okay, and find some picture in my Google. Find for Sabah.png for the flag, our flag. So I go to image. I take this one. Okay, I take this one. And then if you want to have this picture, you need to save it. Right click, save as. Okay, save as. And then you put in your desktop. Okay, I put in my desktop so that I can find the picture easily. Alright, so how I'm gonna put the Sabah flag inside the words. Okay, highlight it and then go to format. Okay, you go to shape fill. Okay, you go to shape fill and then you you go to text fill. Okay, you go to text fill and then you go to picture. So you take from your computer, okay, from a file. Okay, and then go to your desktop. Okay, go to your desktop. You take bendera Sabah and then go to insert. Tada! Okay, so your words, whatever words that you want to type, and then you just put your picture inside the words. If you want to like more highlight to the words, you make maybe the line. You put leg. Okay, second example. Okay, second example, I would like to do my own name. Okay, I go to insert, same again, go to insert and then go to word art. So I'll type my name here. Okay, so make it font type is Arial black. I highlight it and make bold. Okay, and then if you want to make the words bigger, maybe you can change the font size. Okay, I put like this one, so I'll make it bigger, my name here. Okay, okay, and then you want to find some picture in your Google. Okay, you just type in Google, maybe wallpaper abstract. Okay, okay, there are many wallpaper that you can choose, beautiful and colorful. Okay, like I'm choose like this one. Okay, like this one. Okay, and then I save in my desktop. Okay, I save in my desktop. and then I'm use the words, I'm use the picture. So you go to format, text fill, picture, from file, and then you go to desktop, find back your wallpaper just now, this one, insert. Tada! So we can make a lot of beautiful words for our kids, or for any presentation that would you like to do. Okay, so that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, I will be upload a new video for next time, so make sure that you press the subscribe and then like my video. Don't forget to give some comments in my channel. Thank you very much.